So I just got home from work right now and I actually had McDonald's for lunch. It was so good. I don't know, this is like my new thing to do, but okay, I'm sorry. I had McDonald's. It was so good. I got the French burger and I really wanted to try it before it was gone. My stomach seems to be fine though, and normally I get like pains straight after, but it seems to be okay, which is good because that was literally all I ate all day. So yeah, I just did like 12 to 4 today, and I did pick some stuff up in work that I'm going to show you. So literally last night I dusted down everything as I said I was going to do, but I did get rid of the little makeup organizer. It's still up here, and some of the stuff I put up on Depop. And I just popped this here, but basically I wanted to make room for like when I'm putting up my Christmas tree. I know it's still very early, but you know, that's where it's gonna go because I can't like fit loads on this little desk. And then tomorrow I'm off work, so I'm going to clean my whole room properly, do a little declutter. And another problem, like I literally get tan on my bed sheets all the time. This tan that I wear is this iconic one, and I don't know why, but it just comes off really easily. And I did used to love Love and Tan, but they started charging customs, so I just can't get that anymore. And that's like the only good one. Like it's really good smooth kind of colour, and it's really dark as well, so I'm just been sticking to that. But I need to get like maybe grey sheets or just something that won't stain as easily. Anyway, this is what I picked up today. They are kind of wrinkledy because I literally took them out of the bag, but this is new into work. It came in this week, so it's so cute and so me. If anyone is wondering, it is €17. And then I picked up this blazer, which you can see the sparkles. Like, oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with this blazer. This will be so cute with just any PVC pants, like white jeans, anything. I just love a good blazer, and it's sparkly. And it's kind of like houndstooth, I think, or tweed. I'm not sure what you call it, but oh my god. And we get a discount as well, so I didn't have to pay full price for any of these. So this full price was €60. And for anyone wondering, I get the size 34. I will try leave links to these in the description box below if they're online. But yeah, that's all that I picked up. I do get a few bits every now and again. So today is Monday, and on the agenda for today, I'm having a chill little day at home. As you can see, I have on my new Barbie set. I freshly washed my hair, and I'm trying to cover here because it's literally so see-through. But my hair is actually getting kind of like bitty at the end, so I was thinking of getting extensions the next time I go, because the place where I get my hair done, they do like Remy extensions, and I want to get like the bonded ones, just for some more fullness on the end of my hair, because the top is fine. But I need some advice from anyone that is like older and will probably know about this. If anybody lives in like an area that you have like hard water or anything, what do you do when the pressure on your shower is just gone? Because it keeps happening to us and there's nothing we can do. And I literally turn it around to the middle circle that makes it the most like highest pressure, and my hair still feels like a bit sticky. I don't know if maybe it's not dry fully enough, but it's actually a curse living out the country, because like not living in a city, because the water is always like, oh, just so annoying, okay. But anyway, that's the agenda for today. I need to get rid of some clothes, put those up in Depop, because I have no hangers. I feel really fresh right now after that shower. I need to change my sheets and just basically do a little clean around my room. My skin is kind of clearing up a little bit. So one, that's like a scar from the one that I had during the week. But yeah, other than that, that is my plan for the day. Just clean around, and might even wash the floors. But yeah, this lounge set is so comfy. I'm waiting for like Primark to get in really cute dressing gowns, or maybe Victoria's Secret, because I seriously need a new dressing gown. So yeah, but this is so comfy, this little set. I have on the ends as well. It's more so like a loungewear. It's not really an actual tracksuit. I do need to like go through clean on my shoes. I need to wash my brushes because these babies haven't been washed in a little while. And then I thought that I would do, as well as a declutter, I thought that I would do a Louis Vuitton collection and everything that I own. I was going to do a sit down video, but it's very hard to explain and hold up something, so that's why I'm going to do it in this vlog at the end. I'm finally going to do my full Louis Vuitton collection, and this is everything in front of me right now. It might not look like a lot, but as you can see, I'm very into like matching up things. So I'm going to basically start off with kind of explaining what I got first, why I got them, and everything like that. Because I know you've all been waiting so long to see this type of video, so here we go. So, my first Louis Vuitton item was my Speedy 25 Bandolier, which means it comes with the strap. I did go for the 25 because I'm about 5'5" in height, so I needed something that wasn't too big, and I did try it on in store, and this one was absolutely perfect on me. And then I actually went for obviously the red interior when it's Damier Ebene. And then the second thing, I actually got them both at Christmas time, was my little clay, or key pouch as some people like to call it. Now this I literally use every single day. I will have everything that I mentioned in this video linked in the description box below, but I use this every single day. As you can see, I have my lingerie keys. I just have it on my car keys, and you can put cards in here, you can put cash. I don't know if that's a little mark. Yeah, I absolutely love the clay. If you were to ask me the one item to start off your Louis Vuitton collection, it would be this, because it's so sturdy. The zip is really like sleek, and the hardware stays really like polished. It doesn't get scratched or anything. So those are my first two Louis Vuitton items. And the pom-pom is from Primark. I got that a couple of years ago. And then after that, I think I'm not going to go through like literally item after item because I can't remember, but I know that I got my Neverfull shortly after that, but I'm just going to continue on with these. So a lot of people ask me about the luggage tags. How do I have 3 luggage tags? Where did I find them? A lot of shops don't sell luggage tags. Trust me, I've tried Paris. I basically told them that I had a keep all bag and they still wouldn't sell me a luggage tag. So the only place that I know of that sells the luggage tags is the boutique store in Dublin in Brown Thomas. That's literally where I bought all my 3 luggage tags. I went for the size small for this one just because it fits the bag a lot better, and of course you can buy the dark leather whenever because it doesn't patina. So I do need to get that stamped. I'll probably just get it stamped the same way, just like that, just JK. And in case anyone says like, oh, like if you change your name, I don't really care, because when I bought these bags, that was my last name, so it doesn't matter to me if in the future it's not my last name. I don't really care, I'll just keep it anyway. And then the next thing that's obviously matching up with these 3 is my Sarah wallet. Now let me tell you, we have a love-hate relationship, me and Sarah, because I didn't use her for literally, I got it last August in Paris, and I haven't used it up until the past month. I was always afraid to use it in case I like lost it or something in work, but then one day I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have to use it. I'm more so used to use the clay for cash and cards, but now I'm using this for cash, and then I keep my, actually no, I have my card in here too. But I did actually get this monogrammed or hot stamped as well with JK. And in case you're wondering where the items were made, all of my items were made in France, except for the Sarah wallet was made in Spain. I don't know if you can see. It says made in Spain. And then I think the scarves are made in Italy. I think most of the satin, anything that's satin is made in Italy, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that is my 3 little matching items. Then obviously the next bag that I said was the Neverfull MM. I went for the MM because the GM was way too big, and I just love the Neverfulls so much. They're such a versatile bag. You can actually push in the sides of the bag and make it look like a completely different bag, which I love, and they're perfect for traveling. So I would definitely recommend an Neverfull. The only reason why I went for this bag secondly in my collection is because I live in a very, very rainy climate. So obviously I wanted to get something that was more durable, and this leather doesn't stain or patina, which means it gets darker over time, whereas this one does. Now I don't know if you can tell, I do have a water mark somewhere on this. Let me try and find it. There's like a small one there. It's very hard to tell. Let me try and focus this in. I don't know if you can see, but like it does easily get marked with the rain. So basically when I got this bag, it was around September time, I think, or August actually. Then I went to Vegas in September and I brought it with me, and it did patina a little bit in the sun, which I didn't mind because it patinaed very evenly. And another tip as well, if you're going to buy any bag with vachetta leather and you want to eventually get a luggage tag, try and pick up the luggage tag the same time, because you don't want them to like patina at different times. So yeah, the only issue is the little I don't know what these are called, like the little pouch that comes with the bag. That's another bonus as well to getting the Neverfull. You get this free pouch, which I think is so worth it. I did actually bring this on a night out. Like I always bring this whenever I go out, and I did lose the strap once. So as you can see, that's the difference in the leathers. That one is going to get darker over time, and that's the patinaed leather. So that's fresh leather. So yeah, and then obviously I have my little scarf on the bag. This is called a Banjo Scarf, I believe. And I just tied it in a little bow. It's so cute. I do have the same pom-pom on this bag again. Now, for my new bag, my new little... Actually, I forgot to say, this is Mary Kate and this is Ashley. And then I call this one Lexi because I just like the name. I call my bags names, okay? Because they're like my babies. I've nothing else to nurture right now and like look after. So, yeah. This is my most recent purchase from Louis Vuitton. I got it for my... Actually, I probably should have said like all these bags I've gotten for milestones in my life. Can't say that. But I always get Louis Vuitton for occasions or certain times in my life. Like I did save up for the Speedy, my first bag, out of my very first proper job. So it was a real achievement to me to be able to get it. Then with this one, I actually bought for myself again out of... I don't know what job I was working then, but anyway, doesn't matter. I got that for my birthday, for my 20... Was it my 20th? Around my 20th birthday, I think. And then for my 21st, my mum and dad got me the Sarah wallet. So yeah, moving back onto this one. There is some things that I still want to get. As I said, I want to get the pom-pom, a matching pink or white pom-pom. And I have the bag organizer in here for anybody. This is the Samorga bag organizer, and then this is the Zumoni, I believe. That's inside this one. I do need to get one in here to match that bag because I feel like it's missing that. But yeah, this is the Neverfull MM in Damier Azure. And I also picked up the bandeau in the pink just to match the bag. I think they look so cute together. And I should probably move this over here because it looks better with this bag. And then for the Christmas just gone, what else did I get? Actually, did I get the luggage tag? I think I can't exactly remember when I got things, but oh, I'm not forgetting anything either. I think I have everything right in front of me. I picked up the logo Mania scarf. I almost forgot the name right there. But I do really love the scarf. I think it's a must-have. It is very hard to look after. It has like the two sides, the copper side, rose gold, and then the light pink. It is very hard to look after just because any little like tear, if you're wearing sunglasses, it could get stuck and pull out a little thread. It's actually happened to me with one. I had a hanger laying on top and I picked it up and it almost pulled out a thread. So it's very like... It's almost like handmade, I believe, but it's so delicate. Like, it's really, really hard to keep. But yeah, it's one of my favourites. I'm so glad that I picked it up. And for my future purchases, I guess you'll just have to wait and see. Oh my god, I was literally about to finish this video and I forgot to add in one of my pieces. And the reason why I forgot this is because I've literally been neglecting this poor baby, okay? I used this when I went to London back in May. This was one of the things that I got around Christmas time as well. And I really do love it. But at the moment, it's literally been sitting up on my IKEA desk. But of course, whenever I go traveling, I will use this, and it is matching up. I like to do like a mix of canvases and prints and stuff. I don't like to stick with the same print because those are my 3 favorites. So I kind of tried to do like evenly both on the prints, but I'm feeling like I'm going to gravitate towards the Damier Azur for my next purchases. But yeah, the inside of this, as you can see, the leather is still very pale. It's hard to see with the flash, but it's still very pale. It's not like really darkened much. And then inside it just has the different sections for lip gloss or anything like that. I don't know what I put in here. I think I put like my very expensive makeup like Chanel and Giorgio Armani. That's what I put in here when I travelled. But yeah, I do really love this. The zip is so sturdy. It's really easy to open. And I love the fact that when you flip it over, the canvas is actually upside down. That is how you know anything LV is real, because it literally is just one continuous piece of canvas. Whereas like copies and stuff, they always have the same on both sides. Another tip as well, actually, I don't know why I'm saying tips to like figure out if something is fake or not, because I'm not completely against fakes, but I'm just saying for anybody that's wondering, another really like telltale tale for a fake Louis Vuitton bag, it's harder to tell with this leather, but if you see somebody with a brand new bag and their leather looks like this, it's literally orange and it's not like this like fresh white, it's fake, because over time the leather gets darker, it patinas. So how could it be orange the minute that they buy it? So obviously it's not real. That is one of my biggest things. That's how I can spot a fake LV bag from a mile away. Other than that, it is kind of hard to spot one, especially with this print. But you'll be able to tell like it's slightly off colour. Don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know what's on your wish list from Louis Vuitton, because I would love to know. As you can see, I do match up, like I have everything matchy as you can say, I guess. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.